Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working here on a BMW guys E46. This is the 3 Series from 1998 all the way to 2006 guys. We'll show you guys if your power seat on the passenger side, the passenger power seat doesn't work, which fuse to check guys. We have more than 200 videos guys on this car. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know if it was helpful or if you have any recommendations. So let's start on the problem and show you how the seat doesn't work now. So let me show you guys how the seat doesn't work now. Okay, no matter what you do, this seat doesn't work, any adjustment. So you need to guys come to your glove box here, and I forgot to mention all the replacement fuses and the whole box guys. It's very affordable. Check it out, listed in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. Once you open your glove box, check out now on top of it you have two white things that you need to turn towards the outside like that, and your fuse box will drop. Now you can see guys the fuse numbers for the top row are right there on top. The bottom row, they will be printed here with black numbers. I won't be able to show you the good detail, but you can kind of get the idea. I'm going to get that fuse puller. Okay, you need to push like that on it and pull it out. And now guys, how you remove the fuse. Okay, the fuse that we're looking at is actually fuse number 70. Fuse number 70, it will be this fuse right here. This is the second fuse on the bottom from right to left. So we're going to go ahead, grab it. Okay, let me grab it now. It's a little bit tight because it's one of the last fuses there, so it's a little bit hard to pull it out. Oh, it came out. Perfect. This is guys the fuse that's burnt. I'm going to get the replacement one now from right here. Place it in slot number 70. Make sure that you always get the correct one. Okay, perfect. Now guys, okay, let's go ahead and see if that seat will actually move back and forth. Yep, with no problem. Seat reclining as well, so you can see guys, definitely takes care of the problem. If you're looking for the driver's seat, it will be the video will be on the channel as well. If you want to see any specific videos guys about this car, please drop a comment below. We'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So thank you again for watching and subscribing to the channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.